Niladri and I welcome you all to today's session. As you know that we are continuing with the downlink transmission process and we have already done this first and second step in our previous topic. So please check the previous Hindi and English lectures on downlink transmission or the LT physical and channel procedures part 21. So wherein we have already discussed the first step, that is the downlink reference signal broadcast and the uplink CQI measurement and reporting to the E node B. Then the E node B scheduler decides on allocating the resource block, giving the grant to the UE and deciding the modulation and coding schemes and whether the MIMO is used or not and other stuff. So the decision is sent through PDCCH or the control region that we'll see in detail to the UE, and the actual data for UE is sent through PDSCH or the physical downlink shared channel or the data region of the subframe, or you can say the rest of the region where control is not used. So to understand for the steps, the third step, which is PCFICH, physical control format indication channel or format indicator channel, it talks about how many symbols in the beginning of the subframe which is going to be transmitted are for PDCCH, that means for control and for data. In that subframe, how many symbols for transmitting the control and signaling and how many symbols for the data. It doesn't talk about the data or the rest of the symbols. It talks about the control part or the PDCCH. How many symbols are used for PDCCH transmission? 1 symbol, 2 symbol or 3 symbol. So let's understand what is this. It is just a indicator channel which talks like how many symbols are there for PDCCH transmission. So let's understand. I hope you already know about the resource block, scheduling block and all. If you have not seen it, please check our other videos on resource block and scheduling block. So I have taken two examples to explain this third step. That is this is one scheduling block, this is the frequency axis, this is the time axis, time and frequency. I have taken two different scheduling blocks. One scheduling block is two resource blocks. So 7 symbols and 7 symbols. Again here same 7 symbols and 7 symbols. So in the time domain 14 symbols and the frequency domain 12 subcarriers. This blue dotted lines are the reference signal. These are reserved for reference signal transmission. I have taken a 2x2 MIMO example or the 2 antenna MIMO example. So these symbols, this blue box areas are reserved for reference signal transmission. And the dotted lines are the control region or the reserved symbol lines for the PDCCH transmission. Please pay attention, this is very important. So what I say a control region, what I say a data region. The control region are these dotted symbols, symbol 1, 2 and 3. So in this case, 3 symbols are reserved for PDCCH. Okay, PDCCH. So 3 symbols, in this case, 3 symbols. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 symbols are reserved for PDCCH transmission. And the rest of the symbol area like symbol 1, 2, 3 and it's 4 till 14. The rest of the symbols are used for PDSCH or the physical downlink shared channel transmission or the actual user data, except this blue boxes. These are for reference signals. So here if you see one symbol for PDCCH and others are for data region, others are called the data region, or this is used for the PDSCH transmission. So please pay attention and focus on this. If you understood this, then the rest of the things are easy. So The third step talks about the PCFICH, or it's an indicator channel, physical control format indicator channel or indication channel. So it talks about the control formats, control region formats used in the subframe. So in one subframe we have two slots, 0.5 millisecond, 0.5 milliseconds. So 7 plus 7, 14 symbols. I have taken normal cyclic prefix and 12 subcarrier in the frequency domain. So here in this case, if we take an example, the PCFICH talks about 3. This gives an indicator 3. 3 means 3 control symbols for the PDCCH transmission in this case 1. Control format indicator is 1. That means one control region or one symbol is used for PDCCH, or the physical downlink control channel transmission, and the rest of the part of the subframe, 3 symbols gone, so rest is around 11 symbols. Here in this case 13 symbols. All this rest of the symbols are called the data region. This to up to this is data region, this is control region. Here this much is control region and rest of the things are data region. So in control normally we transmit the PDCCH, and the data region we transmit the PDSCH, or the actual user data. Hope you really understood this now. If it is 2, then we'll have 2 symbols for control information or for control region, and rest of the things will be for data region. So that is physical control format indication channel, which indicates that how many control region or control symbols can be used in a subframe. Here it is 3, here it is 1, you can put 2 also, and it normally gives an assumption that how many areas for data transmission and how many reserved for control and signaling. So let's go and finish this chapter. Note the decision is sent through control region, this region or this region are specified by the PCFICH or the PDCCH. This dotted lines are control symbols, or we can use as a control region. We can transmit the PDCCH in these dotted lines. Here we send, or the eNode sends the decision that okay, what is the decision made for the UEs, like what is the MCS, or what is the MIMO setting, what is the resource blocks, time and frequency domain allocated, and actual data sent through PDSCH, rest of the data region, remaining part of the subframe or the data region to the UE. So now we understood in a subframe. This third step talks about how many symbols for control or PDCCH transmission. Maybe 1, 2 or 3. We have taken example of 3 and 1. So that's all for today. We just understood the PCFICH transmission in the downlink. Stay tuned and do subscribe, like, share and comment our videos, and in the next session we will be discussing the further steps and some more exciting topics on LTE. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.